Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a slider on your WordPress website. As you can see, this is a very nice slider. You can see that the pictures are moving and it looks so stunning. So how do you create a slider that will look like this, that will beautify your homepage or any other section on your website? Okay, so this is what you have to do. First of all, you will go to smartslider3.com. Okay. When you go there, normally when you get there, this is what you're going to see. So when you type smart slider, you see something like this. You click on it, it will bring you here. So when you come here, you see get started for free. Click on it. Then you will see that there are paid options and there are also free versions. So you click on the free version, click on the download now. Now, after you download it, you come here, that we're going to install it. So let me show you. You go to add new plugin. Okay. So my own, this type of plugin, you have to upload it. So after you've downloaded it, you click here. So we're going to click on choose file. So we're going to desktop. Okay, so I've uploaded the file, so I'll click on install now. But it seems it is not responding. Maybe let me download the latest one and try that again and try that and let's see. This is the latest option. Download. Okay, so I've downloaded it. Let me just go back and upload it. Okay. So I think the old one was already been downloaded. Okay. So as you can see, it says installing plugin from uploaded file, Smart Slider 3 zip. So it has been uploaded. I was thinking because it was slow, I thought it was not uploading. I thought there was a problem with the file. I was trying to download again. But once it has already installed it, I'll just have to click here. It says plugin installed successfully. I'm activating the plugin. So it's activated. So when you come, you see at the left, you see Smart Slider. If you also check at the top, you see Smart Slider. So you click on Dashboard. Okay. Then when you come here, you will be asked to watch this tutorial. So I'm already showing you a tutorial on how to do it. So you don't need this tutorial. Okay. So you just click on go to dashboard. So when you get to the dashboard like this, you click on new project. Then we have create new project and start with template. The template is easier than starting a new project. So click on start with template. Then there are many types of templates. We have gradient slider, we have full width post slider. There are many of them. So you just look at them, the one that is nice for you. Normally, the gradient slider is the best for me. So you just click on. So I'm selecting that one. So I'll click on import. Then just close here. It is important. Okay. So it has imported it successfully. Now, after it is imported successfully, you now edit the slides. If you want to add one, you just click on add slide, but by default, they have put 3 slides there that we can edit. So I want to edit the first one and you see how it is. So you edit the first one. So the picture that is there, if I want to change the picture, I'll click on it. Okay. So when I click on it, as you can see, the picture is highlighted here. So you just click on upload. Then I'll go to so the pictures I have planned to use for the slider They are here. So I'll put, say, the first one. So this is my first picture. Then there are a lot of settings I'll do, but for now, I just want to add the pictures. I've added that one. Then we go to the next one. Okay, so I'll go back to the slides. So I'll go to the next one, edit slide. This is the next one. So the next one, this is a picture. So I'll click on it, then click on add picture. Then I will upload. So I want to add this picture. So that's it. Then I'll just save it. And then the slides again, I'm going to the third one. Then this one, again, I'll go to the next picture. I'm going to pick this one. This. Okay, so I'm just going to add the pictures in bulk so that I will not be adding them one by one. So let me just add them together. We just add this one. Then I'll save it and go back to the slides. Now I'm adding a new slide. Or I can duplicate this one. So let me duplicate this. So I'm going to edit the last one. And put this one. And then I'll save it. Then I'll duplicate this one as well. And then add the last two. I'm duplicating the last one for the last picture. So I'll put this one. So now, we are done with the slides. So for example, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there are about 6 slides or so. Now we have to edit them because the way they appear is not how we want it to be. So for example, when you come here, when you check, this is the preview of how it is going to look like. If we insert it on the site, it will look like this. See how it will look like. It will look like this. Now, the problem we may have here is that there are a lot of things that are appearing that we may not want it to appear. Okay, so we have to come and then edit it and remove some things, 1 or 2 things. Now let's see how we can edit each of the sliders. So this is how to do it. When you come to the slider as an example, you see, you come to the content. Under the content, you will see description, you will see, normally there is a place for link. You see the link. The link, what it means is that whatever we put under the link, when they click on it, when they click on this slider, it will take them to whichever link is there. Okay. So I want to show you. So come to the site. I want that anyone who clicks on the link, it will take them to the contact page. So we just come and then, so under the link, I'm putting the contact us. Okay. The contact page link is what I have put there. Then we also have the style. So the style, we have the color gradient. The color gradient is from where you are starting and where you are ending. I will leave that one for now. Let's go to, I want to drag this one to the side. Okay. So you see this one too, we have the description, latest project, we have the title, this particular one, we have this description. If you don't want them, you just have to remove it. So you tap on it and then you'll be able to delete it. Then we have latest project, then we have full wave slider. Then we also have the button. Okay. So the button, for example, I'll just click on it. I don't want it to be download. I want it to be contact us. Contact us. Okay. So the full wave slider, I don't want it to be there. I want to give it the name of one of the of this particular project. So I'll just put the name of the project and then so I'll go and copy the name of it. So you just copy the name of the project. I want to put it here. And so for example, this particular one is a construction work. So we just make it construction of, I would say construction project. Construction project for this. Okay. Then this particular one, I don't really want it to show. So I'll delete it. So I'll leave contact us there so that those who will want to contact us, they can just contact us. Then after you are done with this, you save it. You go to the next one and you do the same. Now, how do you now indicate which side of the website or you put it on the website? So let me show you. I want it to show on our services page. So I am inside our services. So under our services, I want to put it under about us. So I'll put it under about. So under the about, I'll put it as our portfolio. So under our portfolio, everything that you see here, I don't want it to be there. So I want to delete that. So let me go to edit with Elementor. So this particular part, I don't really want to see it. So I'm deleting it. So I will now just come. So when you come here, you see the type slider. You see, so you see image carousel and smart slider. So this is the one that I did. So I just drag it and drop it here. So you see, it is asking me gradient slider. I should select gradient slider or tutorial slider. So my own, what I chose is the gradient slider. So I'll click on it and click on insert. So the first project has been inserted. Now I have to go to the website and customize it because the way it looks is not, I was just, as I showed you earlier, I did the customization for just one. So the others are not yet done. So I have to continue. And when you put it, remember to click on the update. Now I have to go back to my WordPress admin dashboard to edit the rest. Okay. Now when you come, also remember, after you are done, also remember to come back to the dashboard. I want to show you something. So you go to the dashboard again, and then you select the gradient. Okay, select the gradient. And then here you will see autoplay. Then you turn on the autoplay. Now when you turn on the autoplay, You'll also be asked the slide duration. The slide duration is how many minutes each of the slides should display before it changes to the next one. So 8,000 milliseconds is about 8 minutes. I wanted to play for 3 seconds. So just with 3,000 milliseconds. Okay. Then you click on save. So so that's how it will play on the website. You come here and then you reload it. It normally may take some minutes and then it will take effect. Now, you can see that it has started playing. Yes, this is the 3 seconds. Now, the background color, there's the background color. I didn't talk about it. Let me just show you how to change the background color. So you come back to the slide. If you want to change the background color, okay, you click on the background. So as you can see, the color has changed. Let's come to the color. Okay, so you can see background color. Okay, so you can choose the one you want. So for example, let's say I want to choose red. Good. So you see, I've chosen red here. So use this one to choose the color. Okay. And then this particular one to change the intensity of it. So if I want to choose, say, let's say I want to make it blue. As you can see, it's blue color. Then you can choose this one. You can use this one to increase the intensity of the blue color. So when you are done with it and you're okay, you save it, and then you do like that for the rest. You set each of them, you customize it. So the customization I did is for only one of the slide. You customize it, the title, the button, everything. You do like that for the rest of the slide. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. You can leave your comments in the comment section. I'll follow up to help you if you have any problem. You can also let me know if you were able to follow this tutorial and do it. And then if you also need help for us to design a professional website for your business, or you need help in digital marketing, that is what we do. And you can follow the WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description of this video to follow us for other more powerful videos. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.